Hello students, welcome to art class. We were tackling a topic and the topic was the names of Satan. Today we are going to do his name, the enemy. That is Matthew 13, 24 to 30. So I will draw basically a soldier trying to shoot someone behind a barbed wire. If he's our enemy, you are more or less behind enemy lines. Easily, he can get you with a single shot. So I have lines there. Those will be my barbed wire guidelines. Then a simple triangle there. At that point, I will put my soldier, a circle, and a circle. That will be my sniper rifle. So what do? I start with the fence. Whenever you're drawing, always think about the drawing as a whole. You can see clearly I didn't go straight for the details. I made sure I have my composition. So that is a barbed wire. Very simple and sketchy. These are wavy patterns, but once I'm done with them, you can see they give the impression of barbed wires. That will be the first one. Then I have the second one here. Same wavy patterns. I am sketching what is on the foreground, then I will sketch what is on the background. That's the second wire. I will do my third wire with the spikes. That's my third wire. Then I'll do the last one. You can see the simple patterns throughout. That is a simple fence, demarcating fence. I already have my sketch, so I will sketch the rifle. With the lens. That is a tripod stand. And because of my guidelines, I can easily put the arms there. He's an enemy, so you can't see him clearly. He's disguised with camouflage on the grass. He's looking through the lens, so that would be his face. But then his helmet has grass camouflage, which I'm sketching. He's looking through the magnifying glass, so that is his cheek and his mouth. Then I will draw the camouflage uniform. He's lying down, so this will be his boots on the ground. It's a very simple diagram. I used a triangle to depict it, and easily it fits in. So I will shade my gun black. That is a silencer nozzle. Then using green, I will try to enhance my uniform, my camouflage. You have to notice Satan is our enemy, trying to check out who he can take out. He's the enemy. More or less, this diagram shows that you in the world, you are always behind the enemy lines. Like a sniper, he can easily take you out. How do you resist him? By being under Christ. Without Christ, we can do nothing of ourselves. So God is the answer to all our predicament. That's very simple shading. I'll use line shading for the barbed wire. What you're looking at is Matthew 13, 24 to 30. The name of Satan being the enemy. You, the child of God, his target. So I depicted a soldier for this. The lines are the barbed wire. you are more or less behind the enemy lines.